Once upon a time, in a bustling anthill, there lived a tiny ant named Amina. Amina was known for her diligence and hard work. She spent her days collecting food for the ant colony and helping her fellow ants. One sunny day, Amina discovered a big piece of sweet fruit lying on the ground. Excitedly, she began dragging it back to the anthill. Along the way, she came across a group of ants who seemed tired and hungry. Amina stopped and said, "Assalamu alaikum, my friends. I found this delicious fruit, and there's enough for everyone. Let's share it together." But some ants were too busy to listen. They hurried past, focused on their individual tasks. Amina felt a little disappointed but continued to share the fruit with those who were willing. As the ants enjoyed the feast, Amina thought about the importance of teamwork and unity in Islam. She decided to approach the busy ants once more and gently said, "Dear friends, just like we work together in the anthill, Islam teaches us to share and help one another. When we unite, we become stronger and happier." The busy ants paused, realizing the wisdom in Amina's words. Slowly, they joined the others, and together they shared the sweet fruit. From that day on, the ant colony became a more harmonious and caring community. The lesson from Amina, the little ant, is clear. In Islam, unity and cooperation lead to strength and happiness. Just as ants work together to build their anthill, Muslims are encouraged to support each other, share, and spread kindness. And so, the anthill thrived with the spirit of togetherness, and Amina continued to be a shining example for all the little ants in the colony. The end.